Welcome to Altea, the jewel of the Costa Blanca. Here, you'll find everything you need to experience the ultimate in luxury living. From the pristine beaches and crystal-clear waters to the lush green hills and picturesque old town, Altea is the perfect destination for those seeking the best of the best. One of the most exclusive and sought-after areas in Altea is Altea Hills. Here, you'll find a collection of stunning villas and penthouses, each one designed to offer the ultimate in comfort, elegance, and sophistication. Whether you're looking for a peaceful retreat or a luxurious vacation home, Altea Hills has something to offer everyone. Each villa is meticulously designed and furnished to the highest standards, with spacious living areas, gourmet kitchens, and breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea. Take a dip in your private infinity pool, relax in the jacuzzi, or enjoy a cocktail on the terrace as you soak up the sun and enjoy the stunning scenery. But Altea is more than just a collection of luxurious properties. It's a vibrant and dynamic town that offers something for everyone. Take a stroll through the charming old town with its narrow streets, whitewashed houses, and colorful flowers. Stop by one of the many restaurants and cafes and savor the local cuisine, or shop for unique souvenirs and gifts at the artisanal markets. If you're looking for adventure, Altea has plenty to offer. Take a dip in the warm waters of the Mediterranean Sea, or try your hand at water sports like paddleboarding, kayaking, or snorkeling. Explore the beautiful countryside on foot or by bike, or play a round of golf at one of the many championship courses in the area. Whatever your interests and passions, Altea has everything you need to live life to the fullest. So come, discover the exquisite lifestyle of Altea